happy Christmas. I feel like it's been a very long time since I've done anything to do with my boxycharm, but honestly, that little crazy mess over there is exactly why I haven't been doing my YouTube or anything else. My boxycharm did come, so I just wanted to do a video, not of my face and such. Hello, cat. Just because I have no makeup on right now and I'm a mess, so I just wanted to just flip on and show you my boxycharm for December. Okay, so this month it's 'Tis the Season. I have no idea what I got this month. There was a variation of lots of things. There was a hairstyler and a few other things. I can't even remember now what exactly it was I wanted, but oh, do you see this? She just spilled an entire can of soda that I didn't even see all over herself. Leah, why? I swear to God, you couldn't make that up. Like, that's exactly why I can't even do YouTube or Instagram or anything anymore, is because of that monster. She's sick right now because of that. But anyway, so this month's boxycharm, it's called 'Tis the Season. Get it? Okay. This month, okay, I can't even remember if these were the things that I wanted, but this is definitely what I wanted. This is the styler, the mini styling tool. That retails normally at $75 and I paid $21 for the thing. Just going to try to open this one-handed to see what color I got. Thank you for the background noise, friend. Okay. So the color, yay! I got this cute little blue color. It's really nice, super handy for if you were going on like vacation or anything, which we're hoping to go away soon, just for a weekend or a few days, because we never go away ever. Okay, next I got this, oh god, detox activated charcoal mask by Cosmetics. Why are you crying? What? This is why I can't do videos anymore, because you keep crying. You're so needy. You don't even need anything. Hi. Yeah. We'll see how much longer I can do this before she keeps it up. But yeah, so it's an activated charcoal mask. I bloody hate charcoal masks after that last time that I did from the boxycharm, the one that peels off your face. Let me see. Okay, if it's one that I can just like wash off, let me read it. Okay, I don't think I'll mind this one because it says you wash it off rather than being a peel off one, because I hate those peel off ones. But that is retailing at $30. Okay, then I got the Tartiest Shimmering Lip Paint, which I was looking forward to. Let's see, what shade did I get? It's okay, it doesn't say the name. Oh, it does. Strike Gold. This looks absolutely gorgeous, and I was really looking forward to this because I was looking for like a new gloss. Let me see if I can do this one-handed. I'm sorry for the really bad camera this time, but like I said, I don't have time to do a big setup and stuff. So that's the gloss. It'll be lovely for Christmas. It smells really nice too. Okay, and I'm really happy about this. I got the Pretty Vulgar translucent setting powder, which I really needed, so I'm so excited that I actually got this because I needed it, and I love this brand too. That retails at $32. The last thing I got was Bodyography, a lip pencil, and I actually did not even know that lip pencil was in the box, and I really needed one, and this is a really nice shade. It is called Timber. So that retails at $12. So overall, I'm happy with my stuff that I got, and I will be definitely excited to try come up with a look. Yay!